Hello, welcome back to Carlton Motor Company. So today's video walk around is the 2021 71 plate Ford Transit Custom. It's the 320, short wheelbase, low roof, twin side loading doors, factory fitted crew cabs. You've got 5 seats in total with this one. Come on, let's have a look inside. Great spec on this one. The active model comes with aircon, cruise, you've got SAT-NAV, heated seats, electric mirrors, you've got your twin single seats in the front here, half leather, crew cab, obviously you've got 3 in the back, ISOFIX points to get the full family in. Lovely example this one. It's going on live onto the website today. If you'd like any more information, please feel free to speak to Chris or Nick. We have warranty and finance and delivery available on this vehicle. Thank you for watching.